Hello everyone, I'm Shawari from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today, I will show you how to make this beautiful clay art bangle, and for making this I have used air dry clay. However, you can also use polymer clay as an alternative. And then after making the bangle, I have decorated it with leaves and calla lily flower. So let's begin. We will use some old bangles. Now the thickness of the clay bangle you make depends on the number of bangles you are using. So we will take the bangles and stick them to each other using fevicol in stacking manner. So I used 4 bangles because I will be using this thickness for the clay bangle I will be making. For making the clay bangle, we will use the fevicol molded. I bought this from Amazon and you will get the link in the description box. So in the package there are 2 sets of packages. One is the hardener, another one is the resin base. So as you can see, they are of different colors. So we will take the knife and cut out equal portion of both the hardener and the resin base. We will use little bit of powder, and then we will mix these 2 portions along with the powder to form a uniform colored mixture. So we will roll it and fold it until the mixture is completely white. So our mixture is now ready. It is uniform and completely white, and now it's ready to be used for making the bangle. So we will make a roll out of it. We will take our bangle and then we will take parts of clay and cover up our bangle from top as well as from inside, okay, in the manner I am showing you. So at first we will be covering up our bangle with the clay, and then after that we will shape our bangle. So let's cover it up first. We will use little bit of water in the fingertips to smoothen the surface of the clay. So we will cover up our bangle with the clay, and we will also smoothen it little bit while covering up the bangle. So the bangle has been covered up with clay from all sides. So now we will start smoothing it using little bit of water, little bit of powder, and with our fingertips. So we will just smoothen it in this manner, that is press the clay and use little bit of water to give it a polished top. Okay, this is one method of smoothing it, and I will be showing you another method very soon. Another method is put the roller inside your bangle and just roll it on the floor. In this manner you can smoothen both the top and the inside layer of the bangle, like this. So the inside and the top portion has been smoothened, but it has increased the thickness of the bangle, which I will be reducing it, okay, in this manner. So we will now simply smoothen the top surface by using little bit of water and spreading with our fingers, like this. We will smoothen the border also in the same manner, and now our bangle has got a definite shape. It took little bit time to smoothen the bangle, but it's okay because the end result is quite beautiful. And now more or less the bangle is completely ready. We will just allow it to dry for at least 3 hours so that it hardens up completely. We will give it a proper shape and let it dry for 3 hours at least. And now it's ready and hard. Now we will decorate our bangle with flowers and leaves. So we will take the mold and make small pieces of leaves with it. I have shaped the leaves with my hands. However, you can use clay tools also. And then with the clay tool, I made some leaf impressions in this manner. I stuck the leaf to the bangle using the fevicol. Okay, in this manner I will be making another leaf. So we will take the mold and give it a proper leaf-like shape and stick it to the bangle using the fevicol, and then with the clay tool just add the leaf impressions in this manner. Now the decoration depends on how you want to decorate it. I wanted to add small leaves and flowers, so I decorated in that manner. I made a leaf-like shape with the clay. It's quite easy. And then just made the leaf impression, and the fevicol is used for sticking the leaf to the bangle. Okay, now we will be making the flower. So we will just take a small piece of mold and flatten it, and then added a small bud in between, and then folded it to give a calla lily shape and pressed it at the bottom like this. Okay, so the flower is ready. We will now stick it to the bangle using the fevicol. Isn't this easy? So we will decorate our entire bangle using small leaves and calla lily flowers. So we will take small pieces of clay and give it a leaf-like shape and stick it to the bangle using the fevicol, and then just give leaf-like impressions using the clay tools like this. Okay, I'll show you how to make the calla lily flower for one more time. We will take small piece of mold and flatten it using our fingers like this, and then we will take a small piece and make a bud out of it and stick it to that flattened mold, and then press the lower portion of the flattened petal. calla lily flower is now ready. Okay. And then we will stick this flower to the bangle using the fevicol. In this manner, we will cover up our entire bangle with leaves and calla lily flower. And it's ready. We will just allow it to dry for 3 hours to get hardened. So the leaves and the flowers have been dried up and it's hard, and our bangle is now ready. We will now just paint it to give it the final designer touch. So for painting it, first we will paint it with white colored acrylic paint, because the white color will act as the primer for the paint that we will be painting on it. Okay, and after that we will just let it dry for some time. And now the white color has been dried up, and we will now just paint our bangle based on our imagination. So it's completely based on you how you want to paint it and decorate it. So let's complete the painting soon, and we will meet you at the end of the painting. Okay. painting is more or less completed. We are just doing little bit of finishings now. That is, we are just doing a proper border at the bottom portion, such that there are no sharp edges or anything. So we are just doing the finishings right now, and when our painting is completed, we will just let it dry for some time, maybe for 1 hour or so. And after that, we will just add a layer of wood gloss on it. I used a layer of wood shine wood gloss. I will add the name in the description box. However, it's not available in the Amazon. You can use paint varnishes instead for this glossy effect. And our bangle is now ready. So it's just ready and beautiful. I hope you liked this tutorial, and it was easy to make too. I hope you will love to make this bangle. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any kind of videos. I would love to make those for you. I make all type of crafts in my YouTube channel now, apart from crochet art. So you will get crochet art, fabric art, clay art, and many home decors in my channel. So you will just love it here. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.